morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. And first of all, tell me about how was your SST examinations? Not only SST examinations, all the examinations. How was it? All of you are unmuted from my side, so you can unmute yourself, then tell. All went great. Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Stefan. Was it good SST examination?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. I think if you are not able to on your video, I should also off my video. है ना? So, very good, Kavya. At least किसी बच्चे को तो समझ में आया कि मैम क्या बोल रही है. Good, Hari. And this is for Tejaswar. Okay. So, as we all know, all the course has completed. Revision part is also done. Yes. Now, we will discuss our question paper. Okay, sample question paper in our regular classes. And you have to write down all the answers. The same question paper I will upload in your portal. So you will be able to see the questions. Why we are doing so, you know, children? Any one of you can tell me the answer? Why we are doing so? Why we are discussing, why we are taking our writing practice? Okay, before going ahead, let me know, anyone of you can tell me what is the pattern of writing answers? Anyone of you can tell me? Yes, Sheetal?
Ma'am, we can know that what we have written correct or wrong.
Yes, first of all, what we are writing is correct or not. Second thing, time management. Third, the pattern of writing. How we need to write. Okay, first of all, if the question is for 1 mark or the short, no need to write a thesis. Okay. If the question is for 3 marks, we must need to write all the answers point 1. Point 1. First line would be introduction part. Suppose the question is about your resources. How many types of resources? It is for question 5 mark question. Okay. So what you need to do is define the resources, then make a flow chart, a mind map, then explain it. Fine. So in the same portal, you will get one separate section to upload your PDF, answer PDF, or you can send me direct in a WhatsApp group, not in the group, personally. So shall we start now? Shall we start now? Okay.
Ma'am, please repeat what you told now.
Sorry,
Network issue was there.
Yes, Hari.
Ma'am, please repeat what you told.
I told the answer PDF you need to upload in the portal. If you are facing any problem to upload the same in the portal, you can send me in WhatsApp. Is it clear? Okay. And
मैम वो जो अभी लिखेंगे
Yes, you have to write down all the answers. Suppose today we are going to solve here sample question paper 1. Okay, I am writing down here sample question paper 1.
Morning, ma'am.
इसकी मॉर्निंग इतनी देर से थी भाई, इशिका समझे थी. वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग इशिका. So, while solving the question paper, you need to write down sample question paper 1. Okay? Some question paper we will solve chapter by 2. Is it visible to all of you? हाँ. So, children,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Sorry. One more thing is there कि this question paper is of complete syllabus, but just because of COVID session, some chapters are omitted. So the particular question we will not discuss here. Is it okay? Fine. And compulsorily unmute yourself and answer it. And the written part is also must. Why was Bastille most hated prison in France? Why was the Bastille most hated prison in France? I am waiting for your response, children. Waiting for your response. Divya, Bhumika, Bhumi.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Question is here in your screen. You can see. Why was Bastille most hated prison in France?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, Bastille was most hated prison in France because the uh, the ruler who ruled at Louis XVI punished the prisoners as he wanted,
Okay, Sheetal, this question is
or he used
1 mark.
to मैम वो एक वो था ना कि जिसपे वो मार देता था.
वेस्टर्न में कहाँ मार देता था बेटा?
मैम
Guillotine
it
की बात
was
करते हैं. आप रॉबिस्पियर की बात
मैम
करते हैं. Bastille is most related to whom?
Ma'am, it was by all in France because it stood for.
First of all, tell me Bastille is related to whom? अरे
Ma'am, King.
Louis
which king? Somebody saying Louis 16. Somebody saying Louis 16. किसी की तो आवाज आई थी Louis 16. Bastille was actually Priyansh. Here Priyansh has gave right answer. That is because it was shows the power of king. है ना? ये क्या करता था? Louis 16 who was the most क्या था? Impeccable ruler था ना? Of France. It was his prison. That's why it was the most hated prison. Okay? Most hated. One mark question. फॉरेस्ट वाला चैप्टर ओमिटेड है ना? दिस चैप्टर इज ओमिटेड ना? द फॉरेस्ट वन.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
कैप्टन स्विंग भी नहीं है. नेम द पैरेलल ऑफ लैटिट्यूड व्हिच डिवाइड्स इंडिया इनटू मोस्ट इक्वल पार्ट. तो बच्चा बच्चा बता सकता है. नेम द पैरेलल ऑफ लैटिट्यूड which divides India into almost equal parts.
Tropic of Cancer.
Right answer, Tropic of Cancer. Where does the heaviest rainfall of the world occur? Of the world, not of India. where does the heaviest rainfall of the world occur? Not of India, Raghav. You are answering about India. World. The question is about world. हाँ क्या बोले तन्मय
मेघालय मेघालय
मैम मॉस
एक काम करो टाइप करो
मैम क्वेश्चन दिखा
Question is here in your screen, beta. Name the, sorry, where does the heaviest rainfall of the world occur? Okay. Next question. Which age group is generally considered in adolescent group? Which age group is generally considered in adolescent group? ये तो बता सकते हो ना?
Ma'am, teenage group.
13 to 19
12 years
is
to
right answer. Raghav is saying 13 to 19 is right answer. Samyak 18 plus में adult हो जाते हैं ना, not adolescent. किशोरावस्था and वयस्क. किशोरावस्था 13 to 18 teenage is considered as a adolescent group. 18 plus means adult. Is clear? Who is doing so? Prakhar Nahar. Now I am going to remove you from the class. इसीलिए मैंने वो बंद नहीं किया.
मैम गलती से हो गया मैम मैं रख रहा था तो गलती से हो गया यस मैम गलती से हो गया
Done. No need to say anything. Fine. Next question. Annotation बंद नहीं है इसलिए कोई भी कुछ भी नहीं करेगा ना. Define the term constituency. Now, nobody will test me. Just answer me. Define the term constituency.
I'm Karen.
group of voters in a specific area.
Little louder.
Ma'am, a group of voters in a specific area who vote in the elections.
Who vote in the elections? Anyone else? Anyone else? Constituencies.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Serving to form, compose or make up a unit for whole component constitute part.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलेंगे ना तो मेरे को भी अच्छा लगेगा. बोलो इशिका.
Serving to form, compose or make up a unit for whole component constitute part.
अच्छा आप इसको एक्सप्लेन करो. Please explain. In a very simplest term, what we can say about the constituency? Constituency is
Ma'am, a group of voters who live in a specific area.
yes. Here Harit is saying constituency is an area in which several voters elects a particular leader. ठीक है लोकसभा इलेक्शन ठीक है ये सारी चीजें सही है. Voters belongs to particular area is known as constituency. Am I clear? इससे इजी आंसर हो सकता है क्या? ठीक है. So stop doing okay Google. Write the name of two poorest state in India. Write the name of two poorest state of India.
Odisha and Bihar.
Yes. Right answer.
Ma'am, Bihar and Odisha.
Odisha and Bihar. Evaluate the function of National Assembly for France during Evaluate the function of National Assembly for France during the period of 1789 to 1791. Okay, you may answer now. Don't text me, hurry. You can directly answer here. All of you, I'm not telling only to hurry. All of you can answer here. Manvi, Hiteshi.
Ma'am, please show question.
Want to see the question? Here. This question here. Evaluate the function of National Assembly for France during the period of 1789 to 1791.
Ma'am, National Assembly represented the common people of Third Estate and demanded for food.
Yes.
Law demanded for reducing the rates of bread.
Good. Adivasi part is omitted from our chapter. Okay. Next question, what are the factors affecting the climate of India? Or name the factors which are affecting the climate of India. What are the factors affecting the climate of India? The factors affecting climate of India. In such type of questions, just make a flow chart like factors affecting climate of India. Factors, okay, like this. Now write down the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from here start writing explanation. Is it clear? Okay. So tell me the factors affecting the climate of India. The first thing is,
Ma'am, latitude, altitude, distance
yes,
from sea,
yes,
relief features.
latitude, altitude, far from the sea, and
Ma'am, winds.
like ocean currents.
Winds.
मैम मैं आई
yes, Raheel.
temperature, pressure and wind system, latitude, altitude and temperature.
टेम्परेचर 2 बार लिखना है.
No ma'am.
Okay, fine. So these are the factors which affecting the climate of India. What are the causes of sudden growth of population in India since 1951? Write any 3 reasons. Means this is descriptive questions. You need to write down the reasons. What are the causes of sudden growth of population? Then need to explain. Okay. Is it clear? Say yes or no. Say yes or no, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, one more thing. Why all of you are not participating properly in the class? Huh? Why only one child is replying again and again, and rest of you are just like means चुपचाप बैठे हैं, कुछ हो रहा है कि भी नहीं? What is this? All of you are unmuted from my side. So unmute your mic and keep on your camera. Must need to on your camera, all of you. Otherwise, I will put mark absent. On your camera, all of you. Switch on the camera, all of you. I want to see your faces. Okay, lovely, it's okay. But next time, if you are using your desktop or smart TV, please don't use so. Use mobile phone and keep on your camera. All the time you need threatening. हाँ? प्यार से कोई बात समझ में नहीं आती आप लोगों को. Now unmute yourself and answer here. Nobody will text me. Answer here. What are the causes of sudden growth of population in India since 1951? Write any three reasons.
The medical growth.
Medical. Yes, after independence. So how we will write the answer? After independence, what? In, medical facilities increased. है ना? Second, बर्थ रेट डेथ रेट पढ़े हैं आप लोगों ने?
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों?
Ma'am, awareness about diseases.
Yes. Awareness about diseases, or you can say education, है ना? After independence, what did happen? The rate of literacy. People starting being aware about the things.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, because of child marriage also.
Because of what?
Child marriage.
चाइल्ड मैरिज की वजह से वो हुआ था शेहिल.
Ma'am, because child.
Yes, yes, yes.
Illiterate.
That's why I'm telling you, first of all, read the question, try to understand the question properly, then after answer it. Read the question. What are the causes of sudden growth of population in India since 1951? Yeah, 1951 मतलब
Sir,
independence.
ma'am, literacy rate.
हाँ,
Literacy rate.
literacy rate. What? Decrease or increase? Literacy rate what? Decrease or increase?
Decreasing, ma'am.
My goodness. Literacy rate increased, beta. Literacy rate what? Literacy rate increased, not decreased. Literacy rate increase होगा, आदमी पढ़ना लिखना भूल जाएगा, तो अवेयर होगा क्या चीजों के लिए? नो, ऐसे नो.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So literacy rate increased, है ना? Then medical facilities increased. People starting being aware about the. These are the three most common things or the common reasons of growing population in India since 1951. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, match the following. Match the following. I'm not going to read the question. See the question and answer. First of all, raise your hand, then answer. And all these things should be in your copy and must.
Ma'am, एक question बच गया.
First of all, listen to me, Shehi. What I'm saying. You need to write all the answers in your copy, make a clear PDF and send it to me through the portal or through the WhatsApp. In portal also, one separate section is there where you can upload your answer PDF. Are you getting my points? Is there any doubt to anyone regarding submission of PDF, sample paper solving PDF? Is there any doubt to anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, as the following. Yes, Tanmay is asking them from where we can get sample paper PDF. These, the same sample paper, I will upload in portal after the class. After 2 p.m., you can check your portal. You will get this question paper, the same question paper in your PDF, and need to solve it properly. And one more most important thing is that beta, if you are solving section B, so solve only section B. Don't merge the section with each other. Got it? Okay. Don't merge the class sections with each other. Got it? If you are solving 1 mark question, so first of all solve all the 1 mark questions, then 3 marks questions, then 5 marks, then solve. Is it clear?
मैम ये मैच द फॉलोइंग तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है.
क्यों नहीं समझ में आ रहा? पढ़ो इसको. It is
Ma'am, may I tell
necessary
answer?
to keep of all voters list up to date because there is a fair representation sections of our society. Everyone has equal elect their representative. All
Ma'am, may I
candidates
tell
must
answer?
have. Yes, Harit.
Ma'am, A4, B2, C3, D1.
A4, हाँ,
B2,
B2,
C3, D1.
C, and D. So according to Harit, it is necessary to keep the of all voters list up to date because some people may have from the area where they. Yes.
Ma'am,
Some
it is like that.
constituencies
Some
are there.
people may have moved away from the area where they voted last.
To use vehicles because of voted last. Yes, सही है ये. Some constituencies are reserved opportunity to for SCs and STs so that everyone has equal elect their representative. Everyone has one and only fair chance, one vote so that all candidates must have a competing in election. Party in power is not allowed moved away to use government vehicles because voted last there is a fair representative section of society. No. हरित आपने रॉन्ग मैच किया है. ठीक है, आपका A4 सही है. A4 is right. B1. Some constituencies are reserved opportunity for SCs and STs so that there is a fair representation section for our society. ठीक है? Everyone has one and only fair chance to one vote so that all candidates must have a competing in election and D4. Is it clear? This would be the right matching. Fine. Now, next, question number 14. Mention essential qualification for the post of President of India. Mention essential qualifications for the post of India. Last chapter of your civics.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Sheetal, but louder, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the president should be of 35 years or above that, and should be qualified for election as well as the House of the People.
Okay. Rights play an important role in any democracy. Rights play an important role in any democracy. Explain the given statement with the help of any 3 points. Rights means fundamental rights play an important role in any democracy. Think if fundamental rights would not be there, what would be happen? So you need to explain it. Rights are very important for us. Why so? You need to justify your answer by 3 points. क्यों हमारे पास rights नहीं होंगे, fundamental rights नहीं होंगे, so what would be happen?
Right maintains the dignity of citizens, and it helps to feel that everyone is important for the country.
Yes. And rights means we are talking about the fundamental rights, na? Rights means what? Fundamental rights. Yes, Raghav? Raghav? Is there any problem to unmute yourself? Shahil? In other words, we can say it why fundamental rights are so important. Shahil? Okay, I am noting down the name, those who are not answering. Is there any doubt in this chapter, beta? Working for institution. This question is from your last chapter of political science, working for institutions. Is there any doubt in this chapter? So why are you not answering?
Ma'am, I have the second. Rights protect minorities from the discrimination from majorities.
Can you imagine your life without fundamental right? You don't have any right to speech. You don't have any right to education. You don't have any right to move here and there freely. As our life was before independence, can you imagine the life? Can you imagine such type of life?
No, ma'am.
What a boring class it is. First of all, tell me one thing, why
Ma'am.
people are not replying? आप लोग को यस नो बोलने में इतनी दिक्कत हो रही है? सबसे ज्यादा शोर मचाने वाला क्लास है 9th क्लास. So after this class, I will go to the principal, ma'am. I will request that you, student of class 9, do not want any type of class. Huh? टीचर्स आए, चिल्लाए, लिखे बोर्ड में और चले जाए. Tejaswar?
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer of this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, question number which one?
Mention essential. Rights play an important role in any democracy. Explain the given statement with the help of any 3 points.
Ma'am, I don't remember this lesson.
So try to
Question
give the
answers.
answer in your own word, beta. No need to be too much bookish. You can also tell what is the importance of fundamental rights in our daily life. Imagine if the life is without any fundamental rights, we cannot go outside. है ना? We don't have any right to education.
Yes.
Can you imagine such
Yes,
thing?
ma'am.
So you need to. This is your homework. By today evening, all of you will submit your answer to me for this particular question. Now explain how poverty line is estimated in India. Explain how poverty line is estimated in India. Explain how poverty line is estimated in India.
Ma'am, are you asking
Ma'am?
this also to me or to someone else?
Yes, you can answer if you want.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, please. Yes,
By
Tejaswar.
taking a record of income of each and every family, daily income, and if it is less than a certain amount of money, then they are said to be below poverty line.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, a person
Yes,
is
ma'am.
considered poor if his income and consumption level falls below a minimum level.
Below minimum level. Yes, right. Something else, Harit, you want to add here?
Ma'am, there are two criteria for estimating poverty line. First is consumption and second is income. There are different poverty lines for urban areas and rural areas. For urban areas, income is at least 1,000 rupees. Then the person is considered above poverty line. And in rural areas, income is at least 816 rupees. Then the person is above poverty line.
Good. Excellent. All the answer are correct, but this is the way you should answer. Okay, nice. What do you understand by public distribution system? Sorry, it is not there in chapter. Okay, what were the features of Nazism? What were the features of Nazism? What were the features of Nazism? Nazism ideology, have you learned? Have you learned Nazism ideology?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember that and then answer. What were the features of Nazism?
Ma'am, Nazism ideology discriminated about among people. They considered Jews, Gypsies, and other classes as inferior to nobles like yes, ma'am, Nordic Aryans.
And what about the disabled peoples? Some
They were also inferior.
there for the disabled peoples now.